Welcome to Tech Solution. How to set up Linksys AX5300 using Android device. It is to be ensured that there's an active internet connection before you start installing the VLOP system in your home. Next, install the Linksys app latest version on your Android smartphone. Meanwhile, perform the steps that are highlighted ahead. Now, launch the Linksys app. Tap on Launch Setup. Tap on the Turn on Bluetooth button. Note, Bluetooth is used for setup purposes only. Tap Allow. Read the Terms and Conditions agreement and tap Agree to continue. Setup will look for your node. Setup will look for your node. Note, if you are prompted to select a router type, select the VLOP Whole Home Wi-Fi option. Once your node has been detected and the light is blinking purple, tap Yes, it's blinking purple. Setup will now check for your internet connection. Create a Linksys server account by entering an email address and password in the fields provided. Tap Create Account to proceed. If you already have an account, tap on Login here and enter your credentials. Setup will link your account. This could take up to a minute. Personalize your home Wi-Fi by creating a Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password. Once done, tap Next. Note, if you'll be adding a child Linksys MX5300 to your network, you can now turn it on. If you are prompted to connect to your new Wi-Fi name, go to your mobile phone settings Wi-Fi and connect to your new VLOP Wi-Fi name. If you close the Linksys app, reopen it to continue setup. The Linksys app will now configure your VLOP network. Select a node name, then tap on Next. Note, it is recommended that the name corresponds to the actual location of your node in the home. This will allow you to identify multiple nodes through the Linksys app. To customize the name, tap Name it something else. On the Success screen, tap Next. If you are adding another node, make sure the light is solid purple before tapping on Add another node. Otherwise, tap on That's it for now. You can also add a node later by logging into the VLOP dashboard. Once the Always Fresh screen appears, tap Next. The node will perform a firmware check to verify if your node is up to date. If a new firmware is available, the Linksys app will update automatically. Otherwise, you will land on the Your Wi-Fi is Ready screen and you can tap on Go to Dashboard.